When a disaster hits Texas, TDI hits the road. We're talking about our Disaster Assistance Response Team on this edition of the Texas Insurance Podcast.
Hi, I'm Misty Hinote. Today we're talking with Andrew Davis, TDI's Disaster Response Coordinator. Thanks for being here today, Andrew. I really appreciate it. So tell us, what does TDI do before a disaster to get ready?
TDI takes part in situational awareness weather calls with the Texas Division of Emergency Management and with the National Weather Service. The Disaster Response Coordinator, which is me, I'll report to the State Operations Center when it's activated for severe weather or disasters. And TDI also runs the Texas State Disaster Coalition, which is made up of members from the major insurance companies in Texas, and will host weekly or daily meetings during and after a disaster.
Okay, so what kind of information are you getting from these calls that help you?
I'll share information from the state level on the TDI and the state's response to the disaster to inform the insurance companies, and the insurance companies will share information that they're seeing out in the field from their adjusters.
So what is the disaster duty volunteer program that we have at TDI?
TDI's disaster volunteer program is called the DART team, Disaster Assistance Response Team, and is made up of volunteers from various departments throughout TDI.
So they volunteer, they think, I want to go out in the field, help consumers. And
That's right.
What tips do you have for consumers to prepare for disasters, to get ready for these big storms?
Well, it's always good to review your policy twice a year, to review your coverages and your deductibles to see if it still makes sense for your needs and expectations. And you can use helpinsure.com as a good resource to do that.
Okay, that's great. What about coverages? Do you have any tips on what kind of coverages people might need before a storm?
Just ask yourself the questions: can I afford this deductible? Am I going to need lodging after a storm? Am I going to need a rental car? What about your personal property? Do you have appropriate coverage for that?
So the temporary lodging, so that would be if you need to move from your house because there's damage, you can't stay there.
Right.
You need like a hotel food, that type of thing.
Exactly.
Where do TDI staff help after a disaster? You talked about that DART team. So how does that work from leaving Austin to going down to the coast? How does that work?
Well, FEMA and the Texas Division of Emergency Management will set up disaster recovery centers known as the DRC, and the public can get help there from federal and state agencies for the recovery process. And TDI will be there to help with insurance needs and help with filing a claim and so forth.
So they come right after a disaster. Most people have never been through this before, and they're like, what can I expect? What can TDI do? That type of thing.
Exactly.
So how can the consumer get help from TDI after a disaster? They can go in person. What are some other ways that we help?
You can come in person to the Disaster Recovery Center. We can help you in person. You could call our TDI helpline, and we can also help with trying to resolve complaints with the insurance company.
So what tips do you have to help consumers recover from disasters?
Well, know how to contact your insurance company. It's good to have your policy number available. Just makes things easier. Know the life of a claim, the claims process. Be familiar with that. Avoid contractor scams. Our website has helpful hints to avoid scams from contractors. Only hire local contractor and roofers. Don't hire people from out of state. And never pay a roofer or contractor the entire amount up front.
Okay, those are some great tips, and that would protect my insurance claim, the money I'm getting from the company.
Exactly, yes.
That's a lot. Okay. And what if I have questions? This is a lot of information, and it's probably a lot of people's first time filing claims. I can call the helpline for more information?
You can call the helpline, and we'll be glad to help guide you through the claims process and answer any questions that you may have.
Okay, well, that's a great resource. All right, thank you very much. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, I think that's it. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for being here.
So that's how TDI responds to a storm or other disaster. Watch this video on how you can recover after a storm. And if you have insurance questions, you can call our helpline or visit our website. Thanks for joining us. We'll talk to you next time.